The DigComp framework, or the Digital Competence Framework, is a reference framework developed by the European Commission to describe the digital competences necessary for individuals to participate effectively in today's digital society. Framework aims to promote digital inclusion and empower individuals to participate fully in the digital age by equipping them with the necessary skills and competences. The framework consists of a set of competences organized into 5 key areas. Information and data literacy. This competence involves the ability to search, evaluate, and critically assess information from digital sources, as well as to manage, analyze, and interpret data. Communication and collaboration. This competence focuses on the effective use of digital tools and platforms to interact, share information, and collaborate with others. It includes skills such as online communication, social media usage, and virtual collaboration. Digital content creation. This competence encompasses the ability to create and edit digital content using various multimedia tools and technologies. It involves skills related to digital storytelling, multimedia production, and content publishing. Safety. This competence emphasizes the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the digital world safely and responsibly. It covers areas such as privacy protection, online security, digital identity management, and awareness of legal and ethical issues. Problem solving. This competence relates to the ability to identify, analyze, and solve problems using digital tools and resources. It includes skills such as computational thinking, algorithmic reasoning, and creativity in problem solving.